Hello, friends. My name is Maria. I am 20 years old today. I want to tell you about my family. My family is special to me. First, I will tell you about my mother. My mother's name is Anna. She is very kind. She makes the best cookies. My mother, when I was a child, she always made cookies for me after school. We would eat them together and talk about my day. Next, I want to tell you about my father. My father's name is John. He is strong and brave. He works as a firefighter. He helps people every day. I am very proud of him when I was little. He would read me stories before bed. I loved those stories now. I will tell you about my brother. My brother's name is Alex. He is 18 years my father. Old, he is funny and smart. We play video games together. Sometimes he wins. Sometimes I win. We always have fun. I also have a sister. Her name is Lily. She is 16 years old. She loves to dance every evening. She practices in our living room. She is very good one day. She wants to be a famous dancer. I believe she can do it. We also have a pet, my brother. It is a dog. Our dog's name is Max. Max is very playful. He likes to run in the park. Every Sunday, we take Max to the park. We all go together. It is our family time. We play with Max and have a picnic. Now I want to share some special moments. One time we went to the beach. It was a sunny day. We played in the sand and swam in the sea. My mother made a big sand castle. My father took my sister pictures. Alex and I collected shells. Lily danced on the shore. Max chased the waves. It was a perfect day. We all laughed a lot, but not all days are happy. Sometimes we are sad too. Last year, my grandfather passed away. He was very special to us. We all loved him very much. He used to tell us stories about his childhood. When he died, we were our pet dog. Max, sad. We cried together, but we remembered the happy times with him that helped us feel better. There was another sad time. My brother Alex broke his leg. He was playing soccer. He fell and hurt himself. He had to stay in bed for many weeks. We all took care of him. I read him books. Lily brought him his favorite snacks. My parents made sure he was comfortable. It was a tough time, but it made us special moments closer. Now, let me tell you about some fun times every Christmas. We have a big celebration. We decorate at our house with lights and ornaments. My mother bakes a special cake. We exchange gifts. One Christmas, Alex gave me a beautiful bracelet. I was so happy. I gave him a new video game. He loved it on birthdays. We have parties last year for my birthday. We went to an amusement park. We rode all the rides. My favorite was the roller coaster. It was so exciting. We ate cotton candy and popcorn. At the end of the day, we watched fireworks. It was the best birthday ever. Sometimes we have quiet times too. In the evenings, we like to sit together and watch movies. We make popcorn and snuggle under blankets. We laugh at funny scenes and get scared at scary parts. It is simple but special. I love my family very much. Sad times, we are always there for each other. We share our happy times and our sad times. We laugh together and cry together. We are a team, friends. Thank you for listening to my story about my family. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, family is very important. They are always with you through good times and bad times. Family is always there. I will share more stories with you next time. Goodbye, friends. Take care and love your family. Hello, everyone. My name is Eva. I am 20 years old today. I want to tell you about my family. I live with my mom, dad, and a little brother. My mom's name is Laura. She is kind and loves to cook. My dad's name is John. He is very funny and tells great stories. My brother is 10 years. Fun times old. His name is David. He loves to play soccer every morning. We have breakfast together. My mom makes delicious pancakes. We talk and laugh a lot after breakfast. My dad goes to work. He is a doctor. My mom stays home and takes care of the house. I go to university. I study English. I love learning new words. My brother goes to school. He is in 5th grade. He likes math and science. In the afternoon, I help my mom with chores. We clean the house and water the plants. Sometimes we bake cookies together. David comes home from school He always has many stories to tell on weekends. We do fun things together. We go to the park and have picnics. David and I play soccer. My dad likes to join quiet times. He is very good at soccer. My mom likes to read a book under a tree. We also like to watch movies. Our favorite movie is Toy Story. We laugh a lot when we watch it. Sometimes we go to the beach. We build sandcastles and swim in the sea. My family has a pet dog. His name is Max. He is very playful. He loves to run around the yard. David and I take Max for walks. Max likes to chase squirrels. One day, something sad happened. Max got sick. He could not run or play. Conclusion, we were all very worried. My dad took Max to the vet. The vet gave Max medicine. We took care of Max until he got better. When Max started to run again, we're so happy. My grandparents live in another city. We visit them during holidays. They are very nice. My grandma makes the best apple pie. My grandpa tells interesting stories about when he was young. We love spending time with them during Christmas. We decorate our house. We put up a big Christmas tree. David and I hang ornaments. My mom and dad put lights on the tree. On Christmas Eve, we open presents. We sing songs and eat a big dinner. Last year, something exciting happened. My aunt had a baby. His name is Leo. He is very cute. We love to play with him. He smiles a lot. My mom said, as he looks like my dad when he was music. Baby, sometimes my family has disagreements. David and I sometimes argue about toys. My mom and dad sometimes argue about small things. But we always make up. We say sorry and hug each other. We know that we love each other very much. My favorite family tradition is Sunday dinner. Every Sunday, we have a big meal together. My mom makes roast chicken and vegetables. We talk about our week and share our stories. It is a very special time for us. One Sunday, something funny happened. My dad tried to cook dinner. He wanted to surprise my mom, but he burned the chicken. The kitchen was full of smoke. We all laughed so much my mom took over and saved the dinner. My best memory is from our trip to the mountains. We went hiking and saw beautiful views at night. We sat around a campfire. My dad told us scary stories. We roasted marshmallows and made s'mores. It was a perfect trip. Even though we have good times and bad times, we always stick together. My family is very important to me. They support me and make me feel loved. I am very lucky to have them one day. I hope to travel the world with my family. We want to see new places and try new foods. My dream is to visit Paris. My mom wants to see the Eiffel Tower. My dad wants to try French food. David wants to go to Tower. My dad wants to try French food. David wants to go to Disneyland. I love my family very much. They make my life special. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.